college is a time where most people are supposed to find themselves, have fun, go out, get wasted, go out, drink, smoke, do all this crazy stuff, and then study for exams and get ready for the rat race. That's what college is basically looked at as, and it's like the symbol of degeneracy today. Now, the truth is 99% of people are going to get stuck in the rat race. It's just inevitable. But there are people out there who want to have financial freedom, location freedom, time freedom, work wherever they want, whatever they want. Don't have an uncapped amount of money where they can make. They want to be able to provide value and get paid for that. So if you're in college right now and you want to be 10 steps ahead of everyone else when you leave, then keep watching this video. Let's get right into it, guys. Let's call these the 5 pieces to the puzzle. Now, the 5 pieces to the puzzle are your mindset, your fitness, your social skills, your relationship skills, and most importantly, your money skills. So let's start with number 1. Mindset. Now, the thing about your mindset is that your mindset be completely focused on growth and actually learning from failures. The biggest thing I realized with a lot of people's mindset when they're in college and high school, and when I was at that age as well, is we don't really respond well to failure. We think that it sucks, we feel terrible about it, we get devastated and depressed about it, because in every single failure, you're gonna have a seed of success. You just have to find it. You literally have to analyze your failures, and there's always gonna be something in there, some piece of wisdom that you can take from it that's going to help you get one step closer to success. Now, on top of that, one of the first steps you have to take when you want to build a solid iron mindset is understanding that the reason why you are where you're at today is 100% your fault. It's not your parents' fault. It's not your teacher's fault. It's not anyone else's fault except your own. You must take full accountability of where you are in your life because it's all about the actions that you've taken. And that actually takes us right into number 2, which is fitness. So this is a simple one, and it's definitely the easiest way to get started in your self-development journey. But if you build these habits today in your 30s, 40s, 50s, you will see that compounding effect and you will be miles ahead of the competition. Now, the next one is pretty controversial because it's something that some college students love. They basically make it their whole entire personality. But then on the other hand, there's other college students who hate this and they never do it and they stay away from it. You should know how to talk to people, how to communicate, how to talk to different types of people, how to have confidence when you're speaking, how to articulate yourself properly. I'm not saying you gotta go, make a YouTube channel and talk on the camera and show it to everyone. That's not what everyone's gonna wanna do. But you should know how to be confident in social situations, with girls, with guys, with teachers, with professors, in a professional setting. Now let's talk about number 4, relationship skills. Now, when I talk about relationship skills, I'm not just talking about relationships with girls, okay? Well, even though that is a big thing, but I'm more so talking about relationships with other people around you, like your group, like a group of men, like having strong relationships with other guys and really good friends, and having a relationship with your family. Even for me personally, when I was in high school, when I was in college, I had a lot of friends, but I didn't feel like I had a lot of friends who actually understood what my interests were. Especially for someone who's super ambitious and wants to, conquer the world or wants to start a business or do something big, it's really hard to find other guys who are just as ambitious as you and have the same drive as you. So again, some actionable steps that you could actually take to find this tribe is social media. It all comes down to number 5. The most important thing is your money skills. This is the most important piece to the puzzle because without money, you're not going to be able to provide for yourself, provide for your family, and do the things that you want to do in life. You're not going to have that time freedom, that location freedom, that financial freedom. You are going to have to work a 9 to 5. You're going to have a boss telling you what to do. Now let's talk about how do you actually get these money skills. It's very simple, but it's not easy. What I would do and what I highly recommend you to do is figure out and pick any digital skill that you can learn today. There's so many. Lead generation, cold email, digital marketing, copywriting, sales, and all these other skills. There's so many things out there. And then you invest into learning these skills and then you actually build on the side while you're investing into yourself. Now, if I had to pick a specific skill starting completely from scratch, if I had no idea what to do and I was a complete beginner, I would pick cold email lead generation. Cold email lead gen is essentially just sending emails for companies so that you can help them get more customers. Now, yeah, I'm gonna be honest, I definitely am a little bit biased because this is the exact business model that I use to go from like 0 to 20K a month, because I tried SMMA in the past, I tried drop shipping, I tried sales, I tried stock trading, I did all of these things. I opened up like 16 different drop shipping stores, like 4 different SMMA niches, and none of them ever worked for me. But when I started to do cold email, it really just clicked for me and I got my first client and I got to 20K within a year. So if you guys wanna actually learn the exact steps I took to go from literal zero, beginner, no experience to $20,000 a month by sending cold emails and starting my lead gen agency, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. I have a full training on the exact steps I took. Guys, I hope you like this video. I really tried to be as authentic as possible and show you guys my journey and show you the actual things that I tried to do from my experiences. So definitely do these things. Rewatch the video if you have to, take notes if you have to, and I'm telling you, if you do these 5 things, you will be 10, if not 100 steps ahead of everyone else when you graduate college. I will see you in the next video, guys.